Well, I got up this morning, I checked around, didn't see any new damage from the pigs. Walked the fence line, couldn't see that they got in. I kind of looked over the fence out here. I went, oh man, that's a gut pile in the highway. Right over here, Pigzilla. Pigzilla meets monster truck. Blew that sucker wide open, man. They hit him pretty hard. Yeah, happened last night sometime. I don't know when. I didn't hear it. Must have been asleep. And since no one stopped to pick it up, and it would have had to have been a pretty good sized vehicle. I'm thinking it probably was like a four-wheel truck or something high, because otherwise there's no skid marks. Absolutely no skid marks. So whoever the heck it was in one heck of a hurry, probably going to work, heading this way. Oh man, it sprayed. Ow, wow, way down the road. Pretty gross, huh? Yeah, anybody out there who can't stand looking at fresh dead meat, you probably better stay away from this video. Yes, sirree. Don't play on the road, piggies. Don't play on the road. You're gonna get hit. Yeah, that pig shit. Back about 5 feet behind that thing, so it really exploded. I hope that's the one that's been rooting around down here and tearing all this stuff up, because I am just getting tired of that thing. There's a lot of pigs, and so that ain't the last one. But like I say, if there's any pigs out there, don't play on the roadside.